afternoon everyone present here. So for today's meeting, my target speaker is Gabriel Aditya doing his icebreaker. So your objectives are to begin speaking before an audience and to discover speaking skills you already have and skills that you need some attention. Your time is 4 to 6 minutes.
Good afternoon, Cavaliers, Toastmasters and guests. This is my first icebreaker and I'll be talking about myself. My name's Aditya, I turned 17 in May, I'm from Punjab and I study in GEMS United Indian School. Before Abu Dhabi, I spent 14 years of my life in Oman and a year in Chennai. Fun fact, this is actually my 12th school. Yeah, I get it, I'm in 11th. How is this my 12th school? I don't know. Now, moving on to my likes and dislikes. My most favorite thing is probably tennis, which I started in 2019 when I was about to leave Chennai. I mainly started tennis because my physical fitness was really bad and I wanted to work on myself more. However, slowly I started to gain interest in tennis during 2020 and 2022, between those years, where I used to spend 5 to 6 hours on the court, which helped me increase my confidence even more in the game. I also started cooking and baking, which I started last year. But the only issues right now that I face in cooking mainly, I have two issues right now. One is that I cannot decide how much salt to put in food. Genuinely hats off to moms that make us food every day. How do you put salt in food? I have to call my mom every time I cook. It's genuinely really irritating. I'm still stuck on that part. And the second part is making circular rotis. How do you guys do that? I don't know. Every time I tried making rotis, the flour is either in the bin or the roti is either uncooked or again it's in the bin. I'm also into music. If you see me outside, you'll probably see me with earphones on, and that's really the main reason I even go outside and touch grass. Now, moving on to my dislikes. Controversial, sorry. I don't like football. But my favorite player is probably Cristiano Ronaldo and my favorite club is Manchester United. I know, not the best club that there is, but Manchester United has the coolest logo of all time. No debates, it has the coolest logo. And I see you laughing, I see everyone laughing. Manchester United has the coolest logo of all time. No, Barcelona does not have the coolest logo. Okay, I'm also not a huge fan of maths. I'm not really weak at it. I just don't like practicing a lot. I don't know, that's like my shortcoming, if that's the right word. I never really like maths unless it's basic maths. I also don't like history because can we focus on the present right now? Why are we going to the past all the time? We've been studying history since second or first grade till 10th grade for whoever's in CBSE first. Okay. How do you guys genuinely? We're always on the past. Can we talk about the present? Why doesn't NCERT publish books telling us about the achievements that India or other countries made every year? No, it's straight history. What's the worth of studying history? I get it, it shaped our past, but let's talk about the future now, yeah? Future's really cool, AI, wars, UK versus Russia, everything is going on now. This should be in history textbooks too. No, French Revolution, German Revolution, we get it. Very interesting. Okay, moving on. Now, to fulfill the 4 to 6 minutes required, I'll also talk about some things I learned in 11th. Before shifting here, I was in Oman and I was, to be honest, a really shy person, which I still am, but I'm still working on myself. When I moved to Abu Dhabi, I was still not used to the things that go on here. I was still not used to the people and I still am not. But because of this place, I learned to talk better, which I'm still working on. And I also learned to be more confident and work on myself more, even when I feel like I've done enough. Thank you guys. I hope you have a good day and a great session ahead.